Most Subaru key fobs for models like the Ascent, Outback, Forester, and Legacy can have their batteries replaced with simple steps. First, locate the seam or screw on your fob, typically on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the case, being mindful of clips instead of screws. Once open, identify the battery type. Most Subaru fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, but older models may use CR1620. Check your vehicle's manual or the fob itself to confirm. This process is generally the same across models, but post-2019 fobs might have more intricate internal circuits. With the fob open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery, ensuring the correct polarity matches the orientation you noted. Snap the case back together securely, making sure any rubber gasket is properly resealed to maintain water resistance. Test the fob by pressing buttons near your vehicle to verify it functions correctly. If the fob doesn't work, try cycling the vehicle ignition or consult your Subaru manual for reset procedures. Be cautious when opening the fob to avoid damaging the case or internal components. For newer fobs with advanced features, a battery swap might require reprogramming via the vehicle's infotainment system or OBD2 port.